I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on medians of a triangle. True or false? Provide explanation if true or counterexample if false. Now the question is, median will bisect the angle at the vertex. So what we're trying to say here is that if we have a triangle, median is drawing a line from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So that is the midpoint of the opposite side. So if I draw a line, so these two lines are segments are equal since we are joining the midpoint with the vertex. Now the question says that median will bisect the angle at the vertex. Now the question says is that this median will bisect these angles. That means will these angles be equal always? That is the question, right? Now, is this statement true or false? You can pause the video and answer the question. As far as my answer is concerned, this statement is false, and we can give many examples for that. Now, there are a few conditions when it could be true. It is true if we have equilateral triangle, or if we have isosceles triangle. So in these two cases it could be true. For example, if these sides are equal, then the angles will be equal, right? But in all of the cases it is false. In all of the cases it is false. So let's take some example like this, when let's say the angles are not so close, right? So in that case it's easier to show. Let's say that's the midpoint. So if you join the midpoint, clearly you can see that these two angles are not equal, right? So they are not equal angles, correct? So in most of the cases it is not true. Or let's take a right triangle, for example, kind of like this. So if I have sides which are not equal, scalene triangle, in that case you can very easily show that joining the midpoint, that means the median, will actually not bisect this. So these are the counter examples which show that the statement is false. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.